China is full of mind-blowing landscapes from the highest mountain to the longest river. So here are 5 of the most scenic places you have to visit when traveling to China. 1. Baishi Mountain, Gansu Province. Perched atop Baishi Mountain, also known as the Stone Forest, you can witness an extraordinary natural wonder that will leave you breathless. This place looks like something out of this world, with its surreal rock formations that resemble giant waves crashing into one another, frozen in time. These captivating sights are the result of centuries of wind and water erosion on the soft sandstone, creating a mesmerizing landscape that will make you feel like you have stepped into another dimension. But that's not all. Bismillah Mountain is also home to a rich cultural heritage. As you explore the area, you will come across ancient Buddhist sites, including caves adorned with intricate carvings and statues of mythical creatures. These historical relics offer a glimpse into the spiritual significance of this region, allowing you to connect with the past while surrounded by nature's wonders. To fully immerse yourself in the magic of Bishop's Mountain, it is highly recommended to spend a night in the picturesque town of Mogan. Here you can wander through charming streets lined with traditional houses and sample delicious local cuisine. In the morning, wake up early to catch the sunrise over the rugged terrain. Witnessing this spectacle will truly feel like an out-of-body experience. Don't forget to take a walk along the South Ridge Skywalk, a thrilling pathway suspended high above the valley floor. It offers breathtaking panoramic views of the surrounding landscape, making you feel like you are on top of the world. For the ultimate adventure, consider hiking to the summit of Baishi Mountain. The challenging trek will take you through rugged terrain and steep cliffs, but the reward at the top is worth every step. You will be greeted with a stunning 360-degree view of the vast wilderness that stretches as far as the eye can see. Whether you are seeking adventure, tranquility, or a connection with nature and history, Baishi Mountain has something for everyone. 2. Tianjin's Ancient Culture Street, Guanhuaji. Step back in time and immerse yourself in the rich history of China at Tianjin's Ancient Culture Street. Stroll along the tree-lined boulevards and discover a treasure trove of cultural gems that will leave you in awe. One of the highlights of this enchanting destination is the ancient temple of Lalong, dedicated to the legendary martial arts hero Guan Yu. The temple's intricate architecture and peaceful atmosphere will transport you to a different era. Do not miss the chance to explore the nearby drum tower and watch the mesmerizing performance of the intangible cultural heritage, the Tianjin Percussion Orchestra. Their rhythmic beats and traditional instruments will fill you with the vibrant energy of Chinese culture. To fully experience the charm of Qian's ancient culture streets, try sampling some of the local delicacies. Indulge in the famous Tianjin snacks like the crispy and juicy gubaru, a traditional North Chinese dish made with deep-fried pork belly. Or savor the sweet and sour flavors of the Yangshu noodles, a specialty of the region. 3. Mount Pan, Tianjin. Hike to the top of Mount Pan for a day trip from Beijing and witness the breathtaking panoramic views of the city. Renowned as one of the most iconic mountains in northern China, Mount Pan offers a unique blend of natural beauty and cultural significance. As you ascend the mountain, you will be greeted with winding paths that lead you through lush green valleys and serene lakes. Take a moment to appreciate the tranquil beauty of Mount Jinyan and let the serenity of the surroundings rejuvenate your mind and soul. The presence of various temples and monasteries adds a touch of spirituality to your journey. Explore these sacred sites and immerse yourself in the rich religious heritage of Mount Jinyan. Admire the intricate architecture and peaceful ambience that have made this mountain a destination for pilgrims and nature lovers alike. 4. The Great Wall, Beijing area. Embark on a journey through time and explore the magnificent Great Wall of China in the Beijing area. Among the many sections of this ancient wonder, to stand out as must-visit destinations. The first is the battling section, renowned for its well-preserved watchtowers and strategic design. Walk along the ramparts and imagine the lives of the soldiers who once guarded this mighty fortress. As you traverse the winding pathways of the Great Wall, don't forget to explore the nearby museums and exhibition halls. These informative sites provide valuable insights into the history and construction techniques of this iconic landmark. Next, venture to the Mubianu section of the Great Wall, known for its picturesque landscapes and relative tranquility. This less crowded area offers a more intimate experience, allowing you to fully immerse yourself in the grandeur of the ancient fortifications. 5. Li River, Guilin, Guangxi Province. Cruise down the Li River in Guilin, Guangxi Province and be captivated by the stunning natural beauty that surrounds you. The Li River is renowned for its crystal clear waters and towering limestone formations that create a truly mesmerizing landscape. As you sail along the river, you will witness the breathtaking views of the Yangshu Karst, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The towering cliffs and caves along the river banks will leave you in awe, feeling like you have stepped into a natural wonderland. To enhance your experience, consider visiting during the spring when the entire region transforms into a sea of vibrant green. The lush scenery during this season makes for a truly unforgettable journey. Don't forget to explore the fascinating caves along the river, such as the Reed Flute Cave with its colorful stalactites and stalagmites. These subterranean marvels will add a touch of mystery to your adventure. For a more immersive experience, go kayaking or canoeing on the Li River. Paddle through the calm waters and get up close and personal with the majestic limestone formations. This unique perspective will allow you to fully appreciate the natural grandeur of the surroundings. China is a country filled with countless scenic wonders that will leave you in awe. From the breathtaking landscapes to its rich cultural heritage, each destination offers a unique experience that will stay with you long after you return home. So why wait? Start planning your dream trip to China today and get ready to embark on an unforgettable journey filled with adventure, discovery, and natural beauty.